Hello Amazons, it's me, and I have another mystery jewelry box reveal from John. So we're going to get into that, but first off, I did pick up another loose gemstone. And you ladies know this is Labradorite. I just want to show you how beautiful this loose stone is. And I'm not sure, look at it, oh my gosh. I am not sure what I want to do with this stone yet. If I want to do it as a ring, if I want to do it that way or this way, or if I want to maybe do it as a bracelet or a pendant, I don't know. But what a gorgeous, gorgeous stone. Also, really quickly, I just want to show you guys some other stuff I purchased. I'm going to give these babies a try. These are menstrual relief pain packs, so I'm going to give those a try. Also, going to give these migraine thingies a try. This stuff can be bought off of Walgreens. And also, I am using Neutrogena Age Shield Face 110 SPF sunscreen. This is to prevent dark marks and to like stop hyperpigmentation from getting darker or staying dark. I tried this morning and I like it. So there's that. But let's just jump right into it. So we have another box from John. I don't know what's in here. It's supposed to be 9 variety items. So let's see. Alright, let's cut this open. I know some of you have been buying these boxes yourself, and there's nothing stopping you from opening them live and recording them as well, because I've had some people leave nasty comments saying that they think I get special treatment and blah 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 blah. Well, there's nothing stopping you from doing what I'm doing. You can buy for yourself and open it live, and let's see what you get. So, you know, John's been in business for a while. His eBay feedback is positive and speaks for itself. So, yeah. You know, if he were selling people garbage, it would be reflected in his eBay rating. So, this is a cute little box. It seems like he's changed his packaging. That's really cute. And inside, he has included some business cards. So let's see, what does it say? Okay, so he's got 3 eBay stores. These are brand new cards he's included. And here's the back. Okay. Let me see. Haven't read this yet. Okay, so he's willing to work with you if you have an issue. And so, yeah, there's his email. There are his 3 eBay stores. And there's his contact information. Thank you, John. Also, John is on YouTube because he's left comments under my videos. So what a cute little box, but let's just see what's in here. Oh, she's full. Okay, here's a cute, this box is really nice. I'm gonna save that box. Oh, wow. Oh, these are beautiful. These look like genuine opal stud earrings. Okay, these have to be gold or silver. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know what, oh my god, those are beautiful. Okay. Let's see what this is. Oh, that's so cute. It's a cubic zirconia ring. Wow. Very, very nice. That's adorable. And then I see another ring. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. This is definitely a Light, size 6. Gorgeous. Let me see. Yep, this one's Hallmark 925. This one says something, but I can't read that. I'll have to loop it. Oh my god. Hold on a second. What? Oh my gosh, so we have another diamond ring. And you guys know I'll zoom in later. That's diamond. And there's a hallmark in it. Oh my god. I'm telling you, these boxes, you just can't go wrong. And I'm literally not the only person saying it. Again, there is nothing stopping anybody else from shopping with John and opening these things live just like I do. I'm not doing anything special. So, you know, if other people want to do videos, that's fine. Because I swear I'm not making this up. Like, oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is an adjustable little toe ring. Oh my goodness. That's cute. And it's got a hallmark in there. I don't know what it is yet. Whoops. As I drop it. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is cute. A little leaf necklace. That's pretty, especially for fall. There's no hallmark on this one. I think it's just gold plated. Very, very, very pretty. And again, you guys know I'm going to zoom in, so no worries. John always sends extra. I mean, this is ridiculous. This is, you guys are just not going to beat these jewelry deals. So here's a really pretty rope chain. This is gorgeous. Very thick and heavy. It's got hallmarks on it right there. I will have to loop that and I will let you ladies know. Oh my god, there's even more in here. Oh, how pretty. This is a blue angel wing. That's Swarovski. Beautiful. I think it's gold plated. Yeah. That is gorgeous. And again, I'm gonna zoom in. This box was, I think, $20.99 or something like that. Let's see what this is. And again, he's definitely sent me more than what was described. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Okay, she's a little tangled, but that's a necklace. And it's also got hallmarks right there. So it seems like in every box that I've received, there's been genuine gemstones and precious metal. Oh my goodness. Another pair of emerald stud earrings. Genuine emerald studs. These are probably in sterling silver. I love those. Oh my god, there's more in here. There's more in here. What's this? Wow, this is a whole collection of genuine pearl earrings. Oh my god. He counts this as one item? What? This is a whole collection of pearl studs. Like, I don't even know how many are in there, but they're all different. Oh my god. Okay. Then there's these, which look like iolite or sapphire. These definitely look like sapphires, genuine sapphires. Oh my gosh. And then last but not least, there's this. Let's see. Ooh, these are cold to the touch. Wow. These are either dyed howlite or some sort of turquoise. And there is a marking on the clasp, but I think it's stainless steel. It looks like stainless steel. So, okay. For like under 30 bucks, there is turquoise, there is genuine sapphire studs, a gold-plated Swarovski angel wing necklace. Oh my god, inside this box are genuine opal stud earrings. Amazing. Here we have a rope chain with precious metal. It's got a hallmark. I don't know what it is yet. I'll have to loop it. Here is a Prasiolite ring in sterling silver. Here is another ring. This is probably CZ, but it's got a hallmark, so it might be sterling silver. This is a toe ring, or an adjustable. I guess you could wear it as a pinky ring or a midi ring too. This also has a hallmark in it, so it might be sterling silver. These might be little white topazes. They don't look like CZs. In here was a diamond ring. Like, these are channel set diamonds and everything else in this ring. Like, this is unbelievable. It's also got a hallmark, so I'll let you guys know. Then there was a 18 karat gold plated leaf necklace, and this is really a necklace. It's not a pendant. It's not detachable. That was in here. Very cute for fall. This was in there. This pretty pendant, which also has a hallmark, so it could be sterling silver. These were in here. These are precious emerald studs, also in sterling silver. And last but not least, this whole wardrobe of pearl earrings, which look like they're set in silver, are in here. And I don't even know how many earrings are in here. Oh, wow. And then there's a turquoise or something. Okay, yeah, that's more pearl. I don't even know how many pearls are in here. But this is seriously enough for an entire collection. There's every color under the sun in here. So again, Glamazons, I'm telling you, like, you really cannot go wrong with John's mystery boxes. And he's got this cute new packaging, which is adorable. Yeah, if you really want to build a jewelry collection, this is the fastest way. And, you know, John he's just a really nice man. And again, if you have purchased these boxes, there's nothing stopping you from opening them live. You know, I'm not doing anything special here. But to those of you who have purchased these boxes, I hope you're as happy as I am. Like, I am like in love with these boxes. They are addictive. And stay tuned because I will be giving some away. Hopefully I have some really good news coming up soon. But we'll talk about that later. And I am going to enjoy trying all this pretty stuff on right now and looping it and playing with it and putting it away because you guys know I don't resell, so this is mine. And John, if you're watching, you are just incredible and we really appreciate you. You know how to make us happy. And that's all for now, guys and girls. I'll talk to you later. Bye.